How to generate a support tool log when Bitdefender is installed. To generate a support tool log when Bitdefender is installed on the computer, follow these instructions. 1. Hold down the Windows logo and E keys at the same time to open this PC folder. 2. Open the Bitdefender installation folder. The default path is C:\program files /Bitdefender security /3. Open the executable file support tool. 4. Start by selecting the issue category. 5. After that, provide us with a description of the issue. You can type it in the box located under issue description. 6. You can provide us with product logs by reproducing the issue. To do this, you will have to click on try to reproduce the issue. This feature does not record your screen, it only activates Bitdefender logs. In the new window, click on Start. After you reproduce the issue, you can click on the Finish button, located in the upper part of the screen. Note, if you do not wish to reproduce the issue, you can just click on Confirm Ticket. 7. In the next screen, make sure the name and email address provided are the correct ones. 8. Before you can send us your request, you will have to check the box in lower part of the screen, and agree to allow Bitdefender to gather and submit debugging information related to your issue. 9. Next, you can click on Create Debug Package. 10. A file will be created on your desktop, named bdsp_p name_current date. Send a request to Bitdefender technical support and attach this log file.